Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word misogyny in depth. First, the definition. Misogyny means dislike or prejudice against women. Think of it simply as a bias that causes unfair treatment of women. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Misogyny traces back to Greek roots, meaning hatred of women. Over time, it's been used by scholars and activists to describe certain societal attitudes. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use misogyny in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. Misogyny can be seen in discriminatory workplace behaviors targeting women. Correct example 2. The film addresses misogyny in popular culture. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to misogyny my way through the party, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using misogyny correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Misogyny means dislike or prejudice against women. It comes from Greek roots meaning hatred of women, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with misogyny down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.